Top-to-bottom renovations in 2014 have made this Friedrich St. Florian-designed residence among the most impressive of College Hill's beautiful homes. Its 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, and spacious living areas make it perfect for families, while its dreamlike kitchen with an adjacent family room and gorgeous patio equip the property to host any VIP. Amenities such as an in-law suite, a home gym, and picturesque city views from its top-floor home office add utility and charm to everyday life. Approach the welcoming entry where high ceilings and a contoured main staircase signal the home's gracious design. As you step right into the combined living room and dining room, you notice the decorative parquet floors and handsome fireplace adding a stately accent, while a wet bar with a stone counter and sink make a strong statement of welcome. Picture window casts romantic evening light upon dinner guests as flawless occasions are executed discreetly in the immaculate splendor of the chef's kitchen. Professional-grade features include a 5-burner integrated stovetop and double ovens, attractive stone counters with matching backsplash, a spacious center island, and high ceilings that extend your custom cabinetry. A superbly designed extension of the kitchen with an integrated microwave, a professional wine refrigerator, and a pantry lends magnificent zones to tackle backstage prep. Now for a taste of the Gilded Age as you step into the sunroom, presenting a brilliant breakfast or cocktail spot in every season. French doors provide walkout access to the expansive private patio, perfect for windless spring days and calm summer nights. A set of steps leads down to the cobblestone driveway and coffered ceiling 3-car garage, where a private set of custom-designed iron stairs leads up to the fabulous finished room, perfect for a professional meeting space, yoga studio, or home gym with a dramatic cathedral ceiling. An additional 1-car integral garage leads to the home's finished lower level. Discover a cozy media room as well as an office with custom cabinetry and built-in bookshelves. Tile flooring extends through the marvelous mudroom and dedicated laundry, leading to a lovely au pair suite with rich hardwood floors, cozy built-in benches, and a private full bath featuring a stone vanity and a glass-enclosed shower. Return to the first floor, where a chic powder room off the study area completes the floor. Segue upstairs after a night on the town to the gorgeous fireplace primary suite, offering luxurious solitude with a private dressing room enhanced by floor-to-ceiling cabinetry and a sleek private marble bath showcasing double sinks, a soaking tub, and a convenient stacked laundry. 2 more peaceful suites with private baths complete the second story. This secluded hideaway home office dazzles with a wet bar, Palladian windows, and a set of French doors letting in stimulating fresh air to put the mind at total ease, a feeling which permeates this beautiful East Side home. Designed for walking, the property is just steps from historic Prospect Park. The city's shops, restaurants, downtown, and hospitals are all nearby. Stop by esteemed Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design for unique museums and cultural events. Quick highway access and proximity to the Providence train station allow for convenient commuting throughout the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.